Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the monitor's VESA pattern and weight, because fit and strength determine everything. Gather a 12-18 mm steel or aluminum tube, gas spring or friction hinge, screws sized to the VESA pattern, and a clamp rated above your monitor's weight. Once done, cut the arm tube to length so the screen sits at arm's reach. Make sure to roughly align pivot points now. This saves rework later and ensures safe mounting. Do not skip measuring twice. Now you build the moving parts. Mount the hinge to the tube with M6 bolts and nylon lock nuts so pivots stay tight but move smoothly. Drill 2 aligned holes and use washers to prevent wear. Once tightened, test rotation and adjust friction or shims to get the desired resistance. Attach the VESA plate to the far end, routing cables inside or along clips on the arm for a clean look. Make sure the plate stays level and that the arm reaches the clamp without binding. Finish by securing the desk clamp at a solid edge and add a rubber or leather pad to protect the surface. Tighten the clamp until it's firm but not crushing. Mount the arm to the clamp, attach the monitor, then set pivot tension so the screen holds position when moved. If the monitor droops, increase spring per load or add a small counterweight inside the tube. If it's stiff, slightly loosen pivots and relubricate. Key troubleshooting tip: if wobble persists, check clamp torque and desk thickness first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.